Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to make a reel on Instagram. This method will work on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps. Before starting the video, please make sure your Instagram app is up to date. So now open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Select reel from the list. Choose any image or video from your gallery to make an Instagram reel. Tap on this music icon to add music to your Instagram reel. You can choose any music from the list. After selecting the music, you can adjust it for your reel. Now tap on this sticker icon to add a sticker to your reel. And you can tap on this text icon to write anything on your Instagram reel. You can change the style of the text or even change the color by tapping this icon. Write a caption for your reel. From here, you can tag people and add a location by tapping location. When everything is done, just tap on share. Wait a few seconds for your reel to open up. Yes, here it is. We have just made our very first Instagram reel. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.